Morning guys, gaprito ko karon sang fish fillet. Kuman ako luto sang egg o chicken nuggets. Then ano na gayon ko lagay chorizo. Mura na inong balon for today. Mura na hapit na kamahuman. Mas 4 pa ko luto. Good morning guys. Good morning people. Balo ni may cake siya diha, ang chocolate cake. Chicken nuggets and fish fillet kay Rika. Chicken nugget, chorizo, fish fillet, and eggs. Si ate walay eggs na nuggets lang tsaka chorizo. Muna ilabalon karong adlaw.